Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Cappies, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 10 till the 16th of August 2026. Keep in mind this is journal; it might or might not resonate with you. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see, Cappies, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Knight of Swords. Somebody is trying to run away from the situation, maybe run away from the accountability, or run away from the truth of the situation. Somebody is feeling like running away from the situation as far as they can and not even looking back, avoiding or ignoring. Let's clarify the Knight of Swords as their feelings for you for this situation. We have the Ten of Swords and the Nine of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups. See, this person is feeling like you are snatching their independence away. You are snatching their freedom away. For some of you, this person feels like ending this situation between you and them because they might be already married or committed to someone else also, or their family is not giving a green signal for you or for the situation. But for most of you, this person is feeling like because of this situation, they're losing their independence, they're losing their freedom, they're losing their individuality, and they're not liking it. This feeling, this energy of being known because of this connection only, or losing all of their dreams and goals and everything because of this situation. So that's why they feel like running away from the situation as far as they can. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? We have the Devil. This is your card only. So you feel like there is certain kind of toxicity or negativity, unhealthy kind of energies in the situation that you guys are dealing with. Let's clarify the Devil. I just hope you're not obsessed with this situation or with this person. Let's clarify the Devil as your feelings for this particular person or situation, Cappies. So we have the Ten of Pentacles, the High Priestess, the Two of Wands. You're okay. Yeah, you're obsessed with the idea of having a very solid, committed, strong, long term partnership with somebody, but you are feeling like you're keeping it to yourself. You feel like keeping your thoughts, keeping your emotions, and keeping your energies to yourself, and you feel like waiting and watching and hoping for something to happen in a particular situation. There are two situations that you are dealing with. One you are that one that you are going ahead with and waiting for some kind of outcome from. Another that's in the back seat. That's like, okay, you are going to think about it in the coming future. So you're obsessed with the idea of being with someone for the long term, and you're feeling like you should wait, but you're not saying anything. You're not doing anything. You're just obsessed with the idea of having this kind of energy with you, and you have a specific kind of a person in your mind, and you're waiting for something to happen in this direction with that person. But you have another option too, and you are not rejecting it completely, but right now they're in the background. Let's see now, the another option can be a romantic partner, romantic energy, another romantic energy, or it can be another plan B. If this is not going to work out, I'm going to start doing that. Okay, sorry. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Cappies. We have the Two of Swords. Their intention here is to have crystal clear clarity in the situation. Maybe they want to talk to you very openly and honestly about their feelings and thoughts and energies about the situation. but they want to make sure that everything is crystal clear between you and them. Okay, let's clarify the Two of Swords as their intentions. We have the Three of Cups and the Six of Wands and the Seven of Cups. This, wow, they're not. This person wants to have that clarity and understanding of with what this situation represents to you and them both, as a mutual connection and individually, so that they can decide whether they can keep their options open, they can check out with other people, other energies too, or they have to stick around to this situation only. But whatever the case may be, this person wants to take this situation forward according to their rules and regulations, you can say, according to their priorities, not priorities, according to what they feel like they should do in the situation right now. They're not operating from this energy of, okay, Capricorn is also here and I should think from their perspective too. Right now they are in this energy of, this should go according to my plans, according to my vision, according to my energies, and if it is not happening exactly the way I want it to happen, it might not be a good idea. So they want the clarity and answers of how the situation is going to be in the coming future between you and them. And about other people, other options, they're not sure right now, but they want the clarity. After getting the clarity from you, then they want to do something about other people, other situations. But this is such a confusing reading today, Capricorn. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Three of Cups. You want this collaboration, this partnership, but maybe not in a romantic way. What is happening? What is happening? Why is this so confusing? You want it, you don't want it. They want it, they don't want it. What is happening? Let's clarify the Three of Cups here as your intentions for this particular person or situation, Cappies. We have the Nine of Cups, the Eight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. This is your wish fulfillment or desire fulfillment to uh, keep this connection in your life. But if you are not, if they are not interested, if this is not happening, you just want to walk away and detach from the situation slowly but surely. Okay. So both of you have your own sets of rules and regulations and non-negotiables, or you can say your own individual energies of, this is what I want and this is what I want. And both of you are right now living by the rule, if this is not happening as per my needs or my desires, I'm leaving. Both of you are on the same page, both of you are mirroring each other on with feelings and thoughts. They are not interested in losing themselves completely because of this situation, and you want this situation to be something long term, and that is a strong mismatch. Okay. I don't even sense that this person wants friends with benefits kind of energy with you. They just want this connection, but at the same time, they don't want to lose their individuality or independence. Maybe an open relationship or something. I don't know what that means. This is what I'm getting. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 16th of August, 2026, Cappies, for this particular situation. We have the Three of Pentacles. It's like none of you is going anywhere. You guys are going to work as a team in the situation, or at least try to. Let's clarify the Three of Pentacles as a potential outcome for you guys. So we have the King of Swords, the King of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles. Yes, one of you is going to be little bit detached, little bit in this pissed off energy of, I don't care, but they're still participating. One of you is like, okay, let's handle this situation with maturity, with groundedness. Let's not make it a war zone. And then things are going to be highly unstable at first, and slowly but surely, both of you will be able to come on the same page, and you guys will be able to take it forward as a team. What the hell is this reading today? So you are struggling to be with each other but refusing to let go of each other. Then you are coming together and there's a lot of uh, what we call that, there's a lot of on and off, in and out kind of imbalanced kind of energy, and then finally you guys will be able to figure out a balance too. I don't know what this reading is today and who this reading is for today. Let's see the guidance for you guys for this week, for this situation, Cappies. We have the Five of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Three of Swords. You might be operating from, hurt people, Capricorn. So you might be hurting this person or hurting yourself continuously because you're hurt from inside. Try to understand where this hurt and pain is coming from, why this situation is continuously a war zone, why you guys are not able to come on the same page and be in a loving relationship and being able to understand the other person's point of view also. So you might be taking every hurt and pain that's happening, everything that's happening in the situation on your ego, and you might be acting out of that ego who is bruised, that's not completely healed, you know okay, so the moral of the story, as the guidance is, right now you are hurt from inside because of something that might happen 30 years ago, who knows, but you haven't still healed properly. That is why you are not able to operate from your heart and soul the way you should in a particular situation, maybe in every romantic situation of your life. So you need to understand what is the root cause of this, you behaving like a pissed off and frustrated and angry kind of energy towards another energies, and what to do about it, how to heal it, how to resolve it. You have to take care of that energy as soon as possible, otherwise it's going to be a blockage in every connection you're going to have from this point onwards, like the romantic ones, right? So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Cappies. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause and unpause whenever you feel like. Um, and if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. Mm-hmm. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. Okay, let me see. Okay, this card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you are going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you're asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth. So, yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. Cappies, we'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.